Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. This is a Triplett 3414 tube tester. I think it was manufactured somewhere in the 1950s, at least the early 1950s. And this is considered one of the premium models actually, the 3414. There is a slight damage here. I even forgot how I got this. This has been with me for a couple of years now. Today I was just cleaning up the things and then decided to make a short video, because I haven't seen anybody showing the inside of the circuitry part. They have done some tests. I'll also do a test on a tube, but I'll also open and show the back side, that is in the wiring part of the instrument. There is a damage here, and we can see that inside. I'll have to glue that just to bring it back to good condition. Otherwise it is functional. I have removed the equipment from the case, how it is damaged inside. You can see something has fallen. And here is the top view of the box. This is the bottom view, and a closer look at the label here. It has the serial number as well. Here is the front panel view. For its age, it's pretty good actually. All the knobs are present, all the sockets are good, even the meter is good. Here's how it looks inside. I have put some glue to the crack, and the plastic bag is just there too, so that the wood which I have used as support should not stick. It's almost now 7 hours with these two clamps. I think I'll leave it overnight. The glued part looks okay now. It has stuck very well. It's in one level, if you notice. Here are some spare tubes I have kept for my PV XXX and other Valking amplifiers. So let me see what I have. It's been a while since I opened this box. This is from Long & McQuaid, EL84. I hope I have an EL84 inside that. Anyway, we'll look into it. So this is 12AX7. Let me check that. These are from my very old collection, Toshiba, Japan. Toshiba. I need to see what these numbers are. Anyway, we'll check that. So here I have labeled, this is RCA, very old collection. B12AU7. 12AU7. Again, this is from a very old collection, 12AX7A. This must be EL84. No, 6BM8. Anyway, this is not required for any valve amp. 6BM8 was from one of my transceivers actually. Among other older tubes, I also have good working 6L6 for my tube amps. I have a few more here. Let me see what these are. Oh, these are also 6L6. So I think I have 8 6L6 altogether. The 4 first I showed, 1, 2, 3, 4, so 8. Now these tubes are age-old collection, my age-old collection, and as you can see, these are BEL. BEL stands for Bharat Electronics Limited, defense electronics company in India, in Bangalore, where I come from originally. So this is EL84. I'll open it later, but I think these are all. No, okay, this is ECC83. I removed one from the box just to show you. This is the ECC83 from Bell. This ECC83 is like 12AX7, so I have put it in the base here. And now let me switch it on. And this needle, calibrate, bring it to the center. Okay. And I have already set these toggle switches as per the requirement here. You can, I don't know whether it is visible on camera, I have chosen 12AX7 and the filament is J. So I have set it at J, 6.3 volts, and 1, 2, 3, 4 up to what, 9 and 0 we have. And it says here neutral, neutral, down, this is down, and this is up, this is up. So 4 and 5 are up. So likewise I have set everything, and the circuit is 3 here. I'm pointing this to 3, and I think what is that, the load should be 21, which I have kept at 21 here. You can see 21, and this is meg leakage. I'll leave it at 1 meg. And now let us check for shorts. So 1, and in between, if it lights up, it is just the capacitance, I believe, but no short. 1, 2, 3. So there are no shorts. So now let us see the value. This is like 75. This tube shows 75, which is pretty good. You can check the filament continuity. Of course, this is hot now, but then you can check this and this should light up if there is continuity. So that is lighting up. Now this is a 12AX7, and in the first tube, I forgot to check the second triode. Since these are double diodes, double triodes, I forgot to check the second one. Anyway, we'll check both the triodes in this 12AX7. So I have plugged it in. So let me calibrate. Is the filament okay? Yes, the filament is okay. Let us check for shorts, and these are all the same for the first triode. Let us check for shorts. It is just close to 75, so which is as good as the first one. So now let me toggle these things for the second circuit. I have now changed it. Minor difference, that's all. If this is visible on camera, we have 12AX7 test 2, where in the test 1, this was down. Now it is neutral. Otherwise, this remains up, and these are neutral. And this was neutral before, now it is down. This was down before too, and this is neutral. Otherwise, rest of the circuitry remains the same. Now let me switch it on and calibrate. Okay, close to 75. This is capable of measuring 6L6 as well as 6V6. Unfortunately, I don't have 6V6 readily available, although I own a couple of them. They are all back in Bangalore, my hometown. And I do have the 6L6. Let us check this 6L6 out. The thing is, let us first measure the filament voltage. So 2 and 7 are the filament voltage. I have connected a multimeter here. It's an AC range. And let me bring it to calibrate and see how much it comes to. So it is a little above 6.3. Okay, anyway, I'll use that as the reference because I've always kept it as the cal position. It is showing 6.776 volts AC. By the way, I checked the Triplett tube reference manual. It says that the EL84, which is manufactured in BEL, also European, so this one, EL84, this is equivalent to 6BQ5. So I think I will do a test on this as well, the EL84. Now 6L6 is plugged in. We have 6.3 volts. Let us check if the filament is okay. Yeah, filament is okay. And I set it at cal position, circuit 4, and all these toggle switches are as per the chart here. And then let us check for shorts. Everything okay there, and this is at 63 load value. It's at 70 plus. So this 6L6 is at 70 plus, which is still a good tube. Now let us check this EL84, which is actually 6BQ5. EL84. It's plugged in. Now the good thing is, although I did refer to a chart from Triplett, I have a tube reference chart. Here they have already mentioned it. 6BQ5 is EL84. So it's already mentioned. And filament is 6.3J socket. I have already done that. And I have set the toggle switches as per the chart here. And the circuit is 4. So let us turn it on. Cal. Okay. And shorts. I can see that the filament is lighting up here. May not be visible on camera. Shorts okay. So value Y. Maybe it is warming up. Let me wait. Yeah, so this tube is bad. This EL84 is bad. This is another EL84 in a similar box. So this is number 1. Whereas the defective one was, I think I had labeled it as 3. So this is defective. This one, this 3. So let us check if this is okay. Calibrate. Shorts. Shorts okay. Filament is heating up. I can see it, but we can also check with this. And everything else is the same here. Toggle switches, settings. Okay. This is a little over 70, which is similar to a 6L6, at least on the test. Definitely 6L6 is preferred compared to an EL84, especially on an American amplifier. Even though I still have EL84 amps with me. So this is similar. Oh, this is increasing as it warms up. It is a little better than at least the reading is a little better than a 6L6, what I saw here. So this tube is good. So I'll test off camera, I'll test the remaining tubes. I'll switch it off now.